Welcome to Siddhar Secrets YouTube channel. Today we are going to the 5th day Yoga Danda training. We are keeping this Yoga Danda like here. Today is the final exercise day. First day we keep this Yoga Dandam here for the Vada Pitta Kapha Nadis as to be 3 pulses become as so calm and peaceful. You can sit like that or whatever like in the pose as any yoga pose or Padmasana or Siddhasana or as your comfortable method you have sit like that. You can sit in your chair or bed or anywhere, any place, whatever you like. Okay, not necessary to sit like that first. Okay, and now just now you can sit like that. Okay, okay. See, first day we did like that, second day we did like that, third day and then fourth day. Now fifth day we are keeping this Yoga Danda here and they both hands are like that. The mudras, now we are doing a special mudra. This is called as Nana Mudra or Sunya Mudra. See, the four all fingers are like that. The center finger and the thumb finger are just touching like that and the other fingers are like that. This is called as Nana Mudra or Sunya Mudra. This is very effective mudra. See, these nerves are like that. See, here when you are keeping this, you can do very peaceful mind only. Keep, see, when you are doing this Yoga Danda, you can keep your hands like that or like that. See, the all fingers are like that. See, these fingers are here, just touch like that. Keep their hands here or you can keep the fingers like that. Ever keep the left hand as up. Now you can close your eyes. Now I am closing my eyes and chant the A, U, E, O, A, Im mantra. Yesterday we did and we did and the other substitute exercise also, aura power exercise and the power to soul exercise and the mind power exercise and the four fingers exercise to improve our divine power. Now we are chanting A, U, E, O, A, M from where? From the top of the head. Say it. A, U, E, O, A, M and then again A, U, E, O, A, M and then again A, U, E, O, A, M A, U, E, O, A, M A, U, E, O, A, M. You just imagine here and tell this mantra and chant like that. Don't keep your hand like that. You can keep your both hands like that or just like that or keep like that. But you can keep these two hands like that. It is very effective. Or you can keep us like that. Okay. Now chant like that. A, U, E, O, A, M from here to sky. Sky means Akash. There is no limit. There is no sky. You can go up, up, up by with the chanting mantra. Up a letter like A and then again up, U and again up, E and again up, O and again up, A and again up, Im and then A, U, E, O, A, Im and then A, U, E, O, A, M. You can think only by your mind. Not never necessary to say the mantra in our voice. You can keep your mouth as closed. Say in the inner side of your mind. For best benefits, compulsory do this exercise for 21 minutes continuously. You can keep the yoga danta here, keep the fingers like that, keep in any place like that, or here, no, sit comfortably whatever you like. The more divine power will come from universe, cosmic energy will come to your inner body, spread into whole body, mind and soul, body will all come in the single line. Very, very effective divine power. A 3-year-old child also able to realize this power. No words to explain what happened to me now, as there is no need of education, no need of language, no need of chanting puja, mantra, anything. Say this is the simple method. So far our ancient siddhas were did the penance like that. Okay, we are continuing for 21 minutes. Okay. See, when you are sitting in the chair or floor, you can keep your both foots like that. This is the purpose. It helps to improve your blood circulation throughout your whole body. Very effective. Without you are climbing on hill, it is very powerful. Now you can keep this yoga danta like that in this pose, and see the center finger and the thumb finger just gently touching. Yes, you can keep your hands like that or like that, whatever you like, whatever possible. Just you can keep this. This is left hand ever as up, left fingers are as up. This is the right palm in the up, left palm as down. Okay. See, just sit down in the floor or bed or chair, whatever like, in any type, any yoga asana, whatever like. Just keep these yoga danta has and their fingers like that. This center finger to thumb finger just gently touching. Now you can keep this both hands, both fingers like that, whatever like, or just keep in the, just you can keep, be straight, close your eyes, just continue your penance like that. Chant the mantra from the top to the ha. Say here ha, and then u, and then e, o, a, im, again a, u, e, o, a, im, again a, u, e, o, a, im. You can chant the mantra a, u, e, o, a, im as you like, without opening your mouth, without making noise in the outside. Say inner in of your mind the mantra chanting a, u, e, o, a, im, but you can feel from here to sky. The sky is nothing, there is no limit of the sky. You can make the steps of a, u, e, o, a, im, a, u, e, o, a, im, a, u, e, o, a, im, a, u, e, o, a, im. The sky is the limit, but there is no sky, so it was no limit of the chanting mantra. You can go to the step by step. You can make a mantra tower, mantra kopuram, same as like a temple. You can make the mantra tower to the sky from your top of the head to sky limit. Again, you can make many mantra towers. Then you can, now after 21 minutes of the chanting AVM, now is lying left side, turn to the center, keep the right leg up, 2 fingers, 4 fingers. Now keep the 4 fingers like that, up the, go up slowly. Say a, u, e, o, m, a, u, e, o, m. Close your eyes. Say A, U, E, O, A, M. 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 Maximum length, whatever possible. A, U, E, O, A, M. Lie down your hands in the floor. Just be as relaxed for 5 minutes, same in the pose, and then you can return to the down your hands. After 5 minutes you can return. Now after 5 minutes you can come down slowly. Welcome to Siddha Secrets Yoga Dandam channel. Siddha Secrets channel. Any doubts you can call me. Yoga Dandam Pon Partha Sarthi Vadavani.